So today I've got my Hetty with me, and there's tools here on the back. And today I'm gonna hoover the underneath in my buggy with Henry standing right here watching us. Right, let's turn it on. Almost clean. Hetty has cleaned it. Bye for now and see you